Hello, hello, my lovelies. It is 22nd of December, Sunday the 22nd of December. So our last of the bonus challenges. Let's see what I have in here. Oh, it's a little Christmas tree, I think.
New Christmas trees today.
Oh, wow. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? See, this is the universe again. I love it when the things like this happen. Love it. So who'd have thought, I haven't looked behind these doors, I haven't got a clue what's in them, and who'd have thought that on the day we're doing Christmas tree, I get a Christmas tree. I don't know how that goes on your chain, actually. I'll have to have a play with that. It doesn't look as thick as the chain, but we'll see. Isn't that so cute? Oh, that's just, oh, we've had quite a few of these synchronicities, haven't we? This December dailies. Wow, I've gone all shivery booby. Right, Christmas tree. I've just put a bit of string on the one for the giveaway because we haven't got any space left on there. I love that Christmas pudding. I think I've got a few words left over because I'm sorting out now, ready for Junk Journal January. I think that would be nice. 'Tis the season. I'm going to have that on there. So I'll put that on there. So whoever gets this in the giveaway. And I've also decided I'm going to award a second prize. And the second prize is this little one, the other one that I was going to keep, but I've decided it'd be nice for somebody else to have it. So that is that one. All, I love that Christmas bells one. So that's all completed. Get our, put that on there, so that will go in with the giveaway bundle. Cute. We've got one page left, haven't we? Where did we have? We're going this way. So I've stuck Happy Holidays on there because I got that printed out. I didn't want to put it away again. And we are going to have Christmas tree here. Now, seeing as it is the 22nd, have I just opened 22? Yeah. I got that I'd made in case I needed it. And I think that's really nice. Have got a Christmas tree here. That's nice. I want that to go up a bit higher. So I tell you what I'm going to do. Let's cut a little bit off the top because we don't want to lose, do we? Okay, and I'm going to cut round. So last couple of days it's been lovely. We've just stopped at home. We've stopped at home, chilled, done a bit of crafting. David's done a bit of writing. Nelson's done a lot of woofing. And we have not been anywhere near any shops, and it's been marvellous. Marvellous. I hate it. I hate it. It's all too much. Right, let's see. Yeah, that would sort of look as if we've got parcels, presents under the tree. Let's see where we could. I have to be careful because they're stapled after, or else I have to be careful, otherwise my scissors. Right, let's put that on first. So hope you're all okay. Thank you. I've not had a chance to answer yesterday's yet, but I've had a quick look through. So thank you. It's so interesting when everybody's put what they eat for Christmas and traditions and things. So thank you. I'll have a proper answer of those a bit later on. We've got our Christmas tree there, which I want to be touching because it looks like there's some little presents on here. I want it to look like it's an extension of the presents round the tree. So that can go there. What's that? Oh, 'tis the season. I don't think that's as nice as that, do you? Now then, I think I might get another Christmas tree on. I think I got these Christmas trees from, I don't know if I got them from Craftellier or I got them from Shein now, come to think of it. I've got a few different ones. That reminds me of somebody's moustache. Poirot's moustache, that looks like, mind a tree. Is that the same one? Yeah. Oh, we could have that, a gold one. Couldn't we? What about that one? Let's try and get that one in. Different. Sorry, this is my Scotty dog for my Christmas bits in. Right. Again, I'm going to get rid of all this white. I don't want all that white round it. I don't mind it round the star. So tomorrow we're going to do the flip through of the whole December Daily 2024. Don't look like a tree much now. Let's make it a bit jaggedy. There'll be nothing left. There'll be nothing. Look how thin it is. Oh, it's one of those thin firs. One of those thin fir trees. Oh, I don't know now if I like it. Let's shove it down there. Shove it down there. Let's see. It don't look right, does it? I've cut too much off. I don't like that. I've got jingle bells. Jingle bells that I made. I think. Let's cut that down and see whether I like that. Yes, I do actually. Do I like it there? Do I like it there? Do we bring that further down and put jingle bells at the top? No. Let's put this in. Commit to this. Can you believe that with the 22nd of the December dailies? Can't believe it, can you? I don't know, it doesn't seem 2 minutes since we did day one. Right, that's good there. Do I want that jingle bells on? Let's cut it down a bit more, mind you, knowing what I've done with that Christmas tree. There'll be none left. I quite like that actually. Jingle bells. Jingle bells rock. 'Tis the season. Just checking if we need anything. I quite like that actually. And which end do I like? No. Okay. I quite like that to finish that one off. My helping hand's not been around much this year, has he? Bless him. I've not really needed him too much, have I? I haven't had to have him pulling crackers or blowing candles out or steeping tea. I've been really pleased with this advent calendar though. The jewellery one's been fabulous. I love it. Okay. That's our tree. Have we got anything that we can put on top of that tree that I could do with a, it's a shame I haven't got a little angel. Have I got a little angel anywhere? I don't think I've got one left. Let me get my tin out again. Let's have a look at this tape. This comes out every year. I've been eking it out. It's, I nearly said Timmy Mallett's. If you're from the UK, you'll know Timmy Mallett is. Probably nobody else knows. He was a children's presenter. You know, who do I mean? Tim Holtz. Sorry, Tim Holtz, not that he'll be watching my little channel, but I don't like it now. Oh, no, it's come to the end. Oh, I'm going to have to put that on something. Do I like it on there? Yes, okay. Okay. Right, that is our tree. Let's see. No, don't like it on there. Do we like it on anything here? No. Yes, I'm going to put it on there. There's no sticky on the back of this now, so I'll glue it down. I've been hoarding that. I've had it about 4 years. I hope he still makes it, so I can have some for next year. Put that across there. Do we want 'Tis the Season? Yes, I do. I think that will finish it off nicely. Right. That's better, isn't it? Anything else down the bottom there? Do I want... This is massive. Christmas wish. No, it's the same as that, so I don't think it'll go. I've got a little tag here that I made. I'm going to put that on. More is more today. Last day of the last day of the bonus challenges. More is more. Let's put that there. Actually, quite like that. Brings some of the colours together from across. Right then, I think that will do us. Let's put it like that. I think that will be our Christmas tree, don't you? Okay then, so short and sweet today, and tomorrow we're going to do the flip through of the whole 12 days of Carolmas plus the bonus challenge in my December daily journal. So take care. Obviously you're probably all really busy now and not many days left till Christmas Day, but you know, you might catch this over the holiday period sometime. So take care out there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.